Alright, little change of scenery today. Not in the shop. I'm actually in my boy Coffee's garage. And today we are pulling the blower off. I'm gonna do a slight upgrading. Nothing too crazy. Just a little, what are we doing, Coffee?
Well, I got 2 on the way, and this single wasn't doing it, so I think 2 is a little bit better. We got the little red devil over here.
Yep, nice little Evolution Performance hat. And twin 64 66s. So off with the blower. No more VMP, no more big VMP like what was the plan. We're just gonna go all out and put some big boy power. The motor's ready to handle it. The fuel system's ready to handle it. We just need to get some injectors and then of course all the other mods, but for the most part we're ready to turn it up. And that's gonna be the source right there.
Boom.
It's okay. Yeah. It's okay, they fit on the box, they're fine.
Okay.
You're putting them away.
Damn, dude. Hat though. I like it. Like that.
Yeah.
Alright.
Pop that baby on there. There's like little dowels that kind of
Shit,
fall
it's not
into
fitting
place.
because that.
Oh, they hit the idler?
Yeah.
Oh, it is kind of hitting the idler, but close enough for now.
Close enough.
Ooh.
That's cute. Fucking
Ooh,
cute, Nate.
that's nice.
Cute, Nate.
It's a nice one.
Does it match the sticker though? Is that the same color as the sticker?
Of course it matches the sticker. Oh, it's dark back here.
Yeah, it's a little too dark.
It's a little better.
Oh, there you go. Beautiful. Best duo.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, boy.